This is my food pantry, and it looks an absolute disaster. It's been a while since I've reorganized it, and I don't want to get overwhelmed. Last time I did it all in one day. I'm gonna do one shelf a day. Today's Tuesday. I'm gonna do the top shelf. This is probably yelling at one of the cats. Anyway, I'm gonna sort it and then I'll show anything I throw away because I feel like I'm gonna have a lot of waste, some expired product and stuff. I got a step stool. It looks like I used this with pans to store some pans that I completely forgot about. So let's go through this. All right, here we go. Apparently I have a lot of crackers. So I pulled all the crackers and put them in the front row. Behind it is just a whole bunch of containers of salt that I bought. A couple, like a drink container, a Santa Claus, some spices. This is just cake supplies. And back here in this corner is some like MREs, you know, like prepper food. And then an extra box of French vanilla pods. So basically this stuff I hardly ever grab in the back row. The front row, I just lined up all the chips because we crackers. We eat charcuterie boards a lot, so that's why I have so many crackers. Oh. And there's another one. Let's replace 90 grams since they're not technically crackers and put this right here. So that way I know what crackers I have for charcuterie boards. This next shelf I'm going to do tomorrow, this is what I consider my baking one, where all the sweet stuff is. So I will organize that one tomorrow. But it's looking pretty good. So what am I throwing away that was up there? So 2 boxes of cereal that expired in November of 2025. These bay leaves that were good until 2021. I used them for a craft project. I'm going to empty this out and actually keep this plastic container because this is one of those reusable like prepper containers. So I definitely want to keep that. This is an empty bottle of French vanilla pods. I just stuck them in this pumpkin next to my little coffee pod machine. And then this was just random snacks that we haven't ate. So I'm going to throw that away and put that bowl up. This is tea that I've had for like at least 10 years. I don't drink tea. I always think I want to be a tea drinker and then I'm just not. So I'm going to empty these 2 containers out and see if anybody wants them on eBay. And this one, I'm going to cut out a couple of the designs for my junk journal and throw that away. This is freeze-dried marshmallows. This is chocolate. This is rainbow. Technically they're freeze-dried, so they probably will last like forever. I bought these at least 10 years ago on a road trip to Oklahoma. I'm never going to eat them. There's no point in keeping them around. I'm going to empty them, wash these containers, and that way I can reuse these containers for something else. I am really bad about buying stuff and then never using it. Here's an example. These marshmallows, this tea. I need to quit buying tea. This one is a little wasteful, but really I got it like at a really good deal, and it was for a craft project. I used a lot. But it says best by 2021. I just don't use bay leaves for daily cooking that much. I do have a smaller jar of bay leaves that I kept that will be plenty for my baking needs. This is where it gets hard to throw stuff away. I just opened the container. It smells very strong bay leaves. They look good, but just let's be honest, I'm never going to use them. I want to keep them because I don't think they're bad. They smell really potent, but I'm never going to use them. And it's taking up space. So this is why it's hard to throw stuff away because I can see the use out of it. And the craft project I use it for, I made these really cool wreaths that help smell. Like I have a video on it. Like I dried oranges, I dried apples, and you take like some bay leaves, the orange slice, a cinnamon stick, make it into a decorative wreath. It's great for the holidays, and I've done that several times. And I just got a really good deal on these bay leaves, and I'm never going to do that project again. So I know it's killing me to throw it away, but I'm going to throw it away because I can reuse this plastic container. Day 2 of cleaning out the pantry. So this is what I consider my baking shelf. I see stuff that's not bacon related, but it should all be bacon related. So I'm going to pull everything out on this shelf and see what's expired. I don't know if this looks any better. It is jam-packed in there. All right, so I've got my honey collection, syrups, jelly, a bunch of sugar, a bunch of cake mixes back here, marshmallows, Jello. I need to make a bunch of Jello stuff. This bin is all like melting chocolates, more flour in the back. This is sugar, and then just random boxes of cookies. And this is, I don't know where to put this. This is, I bought for a recipe last year, and it was kind of expensive. There's like a half a container left. It's like ube powder. I'm gonna use it up. I don't want it to go to waste. I gotta find another recipe to use it. Something savory, because I did a whole bunch of sweet desserts, and I don't want to do that. So some stuff had to be shoved down on these other shelves. So they are absolutely looking terrible. And today is like Wednesday, and I was going to do like one per day, but then that would be Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And then I'll add, but I got stuff to do on Saturday, so I might do this shelf later tonight, depending how I feel. So yeah, let's see what I'm throwing away. Not as much stuff this time. So nuts, because I don't know that they necessarily have an expiration date, but nuts do go bad. They turn a little sour. Plus, I bought unsalted by accident, and I hate them. And then I don't know how old these are, so I'm throwing those away. If I don't remember buying them, then they're old. Some random tea that I'll never use, expired can of this, peanut butter that's expired. This is expired. I bought it and I absolutely never use it. I'm so bad about that. These raisins are a little crusty. Marshmallows that are expired, and sometimes like they're okay, but they're not. Like I'm touching them and they're like starting to get hard on the outside. So no, these are like super freaking hard. These are last Easter. These are practically freeze dried at this point. So throwing that away. This is a honey jar. Honey doesn't go bad, but this is just disgusting, and I don't feel like scrubbing it clean. So I kind of regret throwing this jar away, but at this point, I don't care. I'm in a mood to throw crap away, so I really should clean it, but I'm not going to. And then this is one of those Costco buys that last year, because they're pink, and I ate one, and I didn't like it. And so it's just a complete waste, so throwing all that away. So not tons of stuff to throw away, but still enough to like, it's at least $20 worth of waste right here, because this was like $4 or $5. I know this was like 10. So yeah, just throwing money away because I'm terrible. It's Thursday. I did not do a second shelf last night, but I am gonna do 2 shelves at once, because I'm pretty sure I used to have these themed. Like one would be like all the pasta stuff, and then one was like the canned vegetables. I don't think it's themed anymore, so I'll pull each shelf at a time, but I know I'm doing 2 at this. Danny, he wants to help. So let's start. And I worry that I'm going to throw a bunch of stuff away, because I feel like there's going to be some expiration dates. But let's find out. I was only going to do these 2 shelves, but I'm just doing the rest. I'm getting it done, because there's stuff in there. Like this aisle, this shelf's going to be all the pasta and the rice, and I see rice is down there. I think this bottom I'm just going to do all chips. So I'm going to pull all 3 shelves, and Sage has decided to help. Here's all the food that I'm throwing away. These are all expired dates. I think the oldest date was 2019, so it wasn't really that bad. Now in the past, like if the date was only like a couple months off, I really wouldn't worry about it. I would always do the sniff test when opening expired food. And I got burnt several times last year. So I'm not even risking it anymore. I know some people are going to be like, oh, it's the Best Buy. It doesn't necessarily mean it's bad. I agree. But after one too many trips to the bathroom last year with issues, I don't care. I ain't taking the risk. If it's expired, it's expired. I'm not eating it. So I realized some of this stuff is a complete waste, because like this stuff ain't cheap. This Better Than Bouillon actually ended up being free, because we ordered chicken and they sent us a mushroom, and they gave us a refund and told us to keep the mushroom. I don't like the mushroom bouillon, and then this chicken and crab. Both of those are expensive, so yeah, that kind of sucks that I had to waste that. And then here's like teas. Most of these teas like I picked up when we stayed in hotel rooms. You know, you always have like a coffee pot that has like tea and coffee, and I'd always bring back a couple tea things, and then I never drank it, so I'm throwing a lot of, I did keep some tea, but I'm throwing that tea away. And then some barbecue sauce. This is expensive too, but it's expired. So yeah, I would probably, I mean, honestly, when you take into account the salmon and the meat, there's probably like $40 of wasted right here, which is a bummer, but not as bad as I thought it was going to be. So here we go. Here is the cleaned up shelves. So we have way too many SpaghettiOs. I don't really eat SpaghettiOs. My husband loves it. Behind that is way too many boxes of pasta. Can you see that? There's like 10 boxes of pasta. So we will be eating pasta at least once a week from now on. And then au gratin potatoes. This is the only thing that the date is slightly expired that I kept, because dehydrated potatoes don't go bad. So this is the only thing I will risk my rule for. So a couple of these like expired in December, but I'm keeping them because, again, dehydrated potatoes are fine. And then, so this is like my starch aisle: pasta, beans, rice, and potatoes. And this is random canned goods. I have a buttload of cream of chicken for whatever reason, and then all my oils and vinegars. And these are all my little packets of like gravy mixes and sauces. And this is the tea stuff that I did keep. This is going to be the chips and then little snack bags. And this is like the canned meats. This is Danny, who wants to help. And then the bottom aisle is like, you know, crock pot, ice cream maker, the little pieces of like machinery that I don't want on the shelf. And then the oils that we cook with the most. And then Danny sees the temptations, but it's not time. And then this is a big thing of cheese. Someone gave that to Robert for Christmas. So I don't know what we're going to do with that. It's a lot of cheese. Apparently when we open it, we're going to be eating nachos every day for a week because we don't want that to go bad. So yeah, I need to make an effort to eat a lot of pasta in the next couple months. I think it looks a lot better. We'll see how long that lasts. I'm very happy with it. And counting all the days, I would say I probably only wasted about $100 altogether. Doing a lot better this year. I'm trying not to have any waste, so that's why a lot of this stuff, like, I'm gonna cook before it goes bad. Like last night, I made Jell-O. I used one of the orange things of Jell-O. Delicious, quick and easy snack. Anyway, thanks for watching.